In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to sign in, and the fastest way to drop expressive emojis right into your Loop pages, plus a simple way to make them pop with a highlight. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Loop page, labeled something like Microsoft Loop Collaborative App Microsoft 365, and click it. On the Loop site, choose Get Started with Loop. If you're already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll go straight in. If not, sign in or create an account if you're brand new. Using the same account you use for work or school keeps all your content together, so that's usually the best choice. Once you're in Loop, either create a new workspace or open one you already have. If you're starting fresh, give the workspace a clear name, add a page, and open it. If you're returning to an existing workspace, just open the page where you want to work. With the page open, click into the editor so your cursor is ready. To add an emoji, simply type a colon. The colon is a trigger that opens Loop's emoji suggestions. As soon as you press it, you'll see a small picker appear. You can scroll through options or start typing a keyword immediately after the colon to narrow the list. For example, My Church Smile or Tower Check will quickly filter matching results. Use your mouse to click the one you want, or use the arrow keys and press enter to insert it. The emoji lands right in your text, so you can keep typing as normal, add a space before or after for clean spacing, or place it at the start of a line as a visual cue. If you want your emoji to stand out, start typing the word highlight in the editor. Loop will surface a formatting option called Highlight. Click Highlight to apply a background emphasis to the selected emoji or the text right around your cursor. This is great for drawing attention to important callouts, status markers, or celebratory notes. If you change your mind, you can undo immediately or remove the emphasis the same way you applied it. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Loop, sign in, create or open a workspace and page, type a colon to trigger the emoji picker, choose your emoji, then type highlight and select highlight to make it stand out. Try a few different emojis to find a style that fits your page, and you'll make your content more scannable and engaging in seconds.